up guys, thanks for checking out this guitar tutorial. In this lesson we're going to be looking at how you play Cool by the Jonas Brothers. In this tutorial all you're going to need is your guitar, obviously you don't need a capo, and this is all in standard tuning. You'll need to know three simple chords. Those chords are G major, F major and C major, but we play them slightly differently. What we're going to do is zoom into the neck of the guitar and see how we play these chords, and then we're going to focus on the strumming pattern. Before we do anything, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. If you find it useful, please hit the like button below, and we've got loads more coming out very soon. Right, let's dive in and take a look at how we play this song. Okay, so here we are zoomed into the neck of the guitar. The first chord you're going to need to know is your G chord. However, the chord that we've learned before is like this. That's our G major chord in the first position. What we're going to do is play it slightly differently. We're going to play it as sort of a semi-bar chord, like an open bar chord. So what we need for this is our first finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. We need our second finger on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. We need our 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the 5th string, and then our pinky finger tucked underneath on the 5th fret of the 4th string. And we're going to play all 6 strings. You want to make sure that chord rings out. So you're going to make sure that the B and the E are not muffled as well. That's really important. Okay, let's have a look at our F shape. This is chord number 2. So actually, we're going to cheat. We're going to put our thumb over the 6th string of the 1st fret. And we're going to put our first finger on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, second finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And actually, you can stick your 3rd finger on string number 5 of the 3rd string. Making sure that E string is ringing out. We don't want to muffle that. That needs to be open. Okay, the next chord is our C major chord. Now you can play the C major chord in the first position if you like, but if you want to be authentic, you need to go all the way up to the 8th fret, and we're going to play it like this. And that is first finger on the 8th fret of the 6th string, second finger on the 9th fret of the 4th string, and then 3rd finger on the 3rd string of the 9th fret. Go back to the G, and we start that cycle again. So the whole song is based around 3 chords, that G, the F and the C, all major chords as well. So try and master those. If you don't want to play them up on the C in particular, up on the 8th fret, just play them as open chords in the first position, very simple chords. Right, let's have a look at that the strumming pattern and focus on the sound hole now. So here we are zoomed into the sound hole. We've got our rhythm and our strumming pattern as this. First chord. Let's slow that down. So you notice I'm putting a bit of a pause in. I'm using my palm to mute it. Down, 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 Same rhythm pattern for all those chords. there you have it, a very, very simple song to play. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, questions, leave them in the comments box below and make sure that you subscribe. I shall see you again very soon.